Welcome to 21 Quartz Circle. We're located in the Meridian Lake Meadows development in Crested Butte, Colorado. This home is conveniently located close to Long Lake and Meridian Lake and just 3 miles from historic downtown Crested Butte, as well as 3 miles to the base area and the ski resort. You're going to love this modern mountain home, over 3,100 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, sits on 1.6 acres. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go see.